From the above, the police team with one lady IPS officer has been directed to visit the hospital at regular intervals to take stock of the medical condition of the victim on regular basis and to liaise with the parents of the victim. During the review with the police officers, I also reviewed the aspect which resulted in the heinous crime being conducted in the moving bus. As a result of the review with the police officers and the transport commissioner, it has been decided that 1. There shall be an immediate crackdown on all buses, commercial vehicles having tinted glasses and curtains, and all such vehicles be impounded immediately. 2. All commercial vehicle or buses shall be directed to keep their lights on during the night while playing in the roads of Delhi. 3. All off-duty buses must be parked with the owner and not with the driver or staff. 4. All those commercial vehicles or buses found violating the contract carriage conditions or any other permit condition shall be impounded and their permits be cancelled. The Delhi police shall undertake a verification of all drivers, staff of all public vehicles, all such buses, autos, which are being piled up by unverified staff. Drivers shall be impounded. Number 6, the driver's license and all details along with the photo shall be compulsorily displayed in all public vehicles along with the helpline numbers on which the complaint can be lodged. Apart from the above, it has also been decided to augment the PCR fleet of Delhi police by providing more number of vehicles, and the same would be with the GPS enabled so that their movement can be tracked at the central control room. Thank you, sir.